What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man, and welcome to the channel if you're new to the channel. Today I got a $640 Soul Supremacy beater box. Very excited about this. You guys know this is like my favorite price range personally. I love it. It always hit well for me. So we're gonna roll the dice with it. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. And I don't see my knife. There we go. All right, knife secured. Again, man, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks from a company called Soul Supremacy out in the Bay Area of California. Members only, closed members. I don't know nothing about how to become a member, when they're gonna open those slots for memberships. None of that, man. These are just complete mystery boxes full of kicks. All I know is they're all are authentic, used, new, random sizes. Just for the new subs. I know the old subs get tired of hearing me say that, but I gotta let these people know, man, they new to the channel. 640 bucks. We're gonna jump right in. I got some places to be tonight. It's nighttime where I'm at, so I'm just now getting a late start on this box. I got so much going on right now. I'm just happy to be able to do these boxes because I really don't even have time to be making videos, man. I got some stuff cracking right now. Anyway, man, 640 bucks. I got 3 pair without boxes. Normally not a fan of shoes without boxes, but that necessarily don't mean nothing. We got a Kobe 8. This is the Christmas SS, if I'm not mistaken. I've had this shoe before. These are a size 13. I actually like this shoe, man. I like the 3D texture on these. These were made dope hoop shoes when I was playing ball. I mean, y'all know I'm fat, so I ain't just hooping like that, but when I was out there shooting, getting my cardio on, I like the Kobe 8s. These are not bad, and like I said, I like the 3D on them and they green hits. So size 13. Yeah, they in fair condition. I mean, not perfect, a little dirty bottom, but it still got some life in them for sure. So size 13, no box. I got an NMD R1. I want to say these are called Solars. I could have just made that up. I should have the name of them at the bottom of the screen. These are pre-owned, pretty dirty. Excuse me. Whew. Sorry about that. Them allergies, boy. I'm not even gonna edit that out, man. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them sneezes in there. Hopefully somebody said bless you. Anyway, I got some R1s right here, man. NMDs, and I want to say they Solars. These are size 12 and a half. Size 12 and a half. A little dirty, but they do have some life left. Jordan 20s, Stealths, no box. Size 12. I have a size 11 in these also with the box. These look to be in fairly good condition. I mean, they have some life left in them. Pretty dirty, but a little wiped down. They still have a little life left in them. A lot of people don't like this floating air or floating ankle strap. I want to say these shoes were designed with a saxophone in mind or something like that. I was a fan of the 20s back in the day. I'm still am. These are actually pretty comfortable. I want to say it was designed from a saxophone. I could be wrong. That was years ago when I was reading that article. But anyway, Jordan 20s, no box. My allergies are killing me, man. I'm gonna try to get through this video without sneezing too much. Air Jordan 16, size 8. These are the new release or the later release. These are a size 8, 2016 or 2017 release. I'm not even sure. But these look to be almost dead stock. I can see a little dirt on the midsole, so I know they're not. The insole still have the Jumpman logo on there. But these are really clean, very close to dead stock. Size 8. Check out the bottom. Got a little pink sticker on there. You can tell from the bottom these are hardly worn or just tried on. But with that little dirt mark, I'm not gonna say they're dead stock, even though they probably could pass for dead stock. Size 8 with the box. We got some KDs. KD10 is one of my favorite models to hoop in. These are a size 10. Had these before. I think I had them in an 11. Don't remember the name of them. These look to be dead stock. Size 10. These look to be dead stock, so no need to pull out both of them. Check those out. Got the Golden State colors on there. Do not remember the name of these, but not a bad shoe, especially if you hoop. Them shoes is real comfortable. If you follow me on IG, you probably see me playing ball in mine. I got the all gray ones. I don't know the name of them either. Like I said, man, if they comfortable and they functional, I'm rocking with them. Size 14 Jordan 3s. Hit the box. All right, this is some heat right here. We got some true blues, not dead stock. These are a size 14. They barely been worn. Let me get up close. Man, check out the star action on them. Very clean. Got the Jumpman on the back. No Nike Air. These are the 2011, 2012 release. The midsole has no signs of cracking. Guess I can show y'all that. Check out the midsole, no cracking on them. Size 14. Man, I know a lot of people hate getting size 14s. I'm actually not against it because I got a guy here locally that just he takes all my size 14s from me, man. So anything past size 14, all my other Beater Box members, man, y'all can have it. I just rock with the 14s on down. I got another 14, so I ain't mad at it though. We got the Jordan 6 UNCs. These again are pre-owned. This is a very dope shoe to me, man. I like these. I mean, nothing is like the varsity red ones to me with the Nike Air on the back. These are the UNC in black with the Jumpman on the back. Came out last year, I believe. My second time getting it. Size 14, so these might be gone by the time the video goes up, but I think I'm gonna try to give you guys a shot first before I send that text and let the homie know I got something for him. He might mess around and already have them, so you guys might be in luck if you were a size 14. Alright, last up. This box didn't have many. Well, I guess it did. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 8 pair in this box. I guess the 3 without boxes made it look like a smaller box. This is a size 13. You got an Air Jordan 1. You can't lose with that. Unless it's a 1.5. Because that's what we got. Yeah, I didn't read the full name on these. These are the Air Jordan High the Returns. Yeah. So, dang. That's heartbreaking. But it's all good. Air Jordan 1 the returns. These are the 1.5s. Not so highly sought after. I do not know the value of these. I know they're not touching, of course, what a Chicago or something like that would be. That would have been dope if that would have been in this box. But a $640 box, I guess I can't assume to get a Chicago 1 in it. Unless it was, the rest of the box was beaters. These are, I guess I'm going to show y'all the shoe, man. Look at me. I ain't even show y'all the shoe. Size 13. 1.5, man. Who wants them, man? That's heartbreaking. I thought I had an OG. It's all good though, man. Still happy. I always feel blessed just to be able to get these boxes, man. It's a closed membership group, so not everyone can get them. That concludes the $640 box. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. It's Instagram. Hit the sub button here if you're not subscribed. Twitter, everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I might mess around and have some shoes on eBay. You guys know I'll be lying on that. I don't even be meeting eBay, but with everything going on right now, I might have to put some shoes on eBay just because I can't float around like I once was meeting up locally. So that's a long story, man. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the sub button, all that good stuff. I'm gonna quit ranting, get out y'all face. Hope each and every one of you guys have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.